Welcome to Joomla tutorials and more.
In this video, we will guide you how to install module JT Fixed Display version 4.x in Joomla.
First, please go to our website worldwidewebjoomla.com.
You can find and download the module JT Fixed Display on this page. Now, go to your Joomla administrator and log in. Go to Extensions Manage to install your module. Click to choose Upload Package File. Select the module JT Fixed Display package, then click Open. Your module has been successfully installed. Now go to Module Manage. Open the module JT Fixed Display. You can publish this module in any location, but the location named Debug is recommended. If this module is not showing up on your site, please try other position. Now, published your module. Next, go to Menu Assignment. Select on all pages to display your module on all page of your site. Click on Save button to save your settings. Now, open your website. You can see the demo images on your website. Try to scroll your web browser, you will see the images is displaying on fixed position. Now replace the demo image with your image. This option is not available on free version, so you will select module position. Remember this position name. Save and close this module. Now, create new module. Select Custom. Enter the name for your module. Click this button to insert your image to this module. Now, make link for your image. Please type JT_ left side in this field, then press enter. Make sure this module display on all pages or select the page you want. Save and close this module. Now go to your site. Refresh your page. Your image here. Thank you for watching our video. See more Joomla tutorials, tips, and tricks at https://www.joomtut.com.